Welcome back to our channel. Today we will provide 3 methods to earn $5,000 from ChatGPT in a month. Method 1. Content creation and monetization. Blogging. Start a blog and generate revenue through various monetization methods such as advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products or services related to your blog's niche. Use ChatGPT to assist you in generating high-quality and engaging content for your blog. YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel and produce informative or entertaining videos with the help of ChatGPT. Build a subscriber base and earn money through ad revenue, sponsored content, and brand collaborations. Online course creation. Utilize ChatGPT to create comprehensive and valuable online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Design courses in popular subjects or niche topics where you have expertise. Earn revenue through course sales and enrollments. Method 2. Virtual assistants and consulting. Virtual assistants. Offer virtual assistant services to individuals or businesses. Use ChatGPT to streamline administrative tasks, manage schedules, handle customer inquiries, and provide personalized support remotely. Charge hourly or per project rates. Consulting. Leverage the knowledge and expertise of ChatGPT to offer specialized consulting services in areas like marketing, business strategy, content creation, or technology. Provide valuable insights, recommendations, and solutions to clients for a fee. Language tutoring. Utilize ChatGPT to assist you in offering language tutoring services online. Teach language skills to students worldwide through video calls or pre-recorded lessons. Set competitive rates and attract students through targeted marketing. Method 3. Freelance services. Writing and editing. Use ChatGPT to enhance your writing skills and offer freelance writing and editing services. Write articles, blog posts, marketing copy, or provide editing services for clients. Join freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr to find projects and build a client base. Graphic design. Collaborate with ChatGPT to improve your graphic design skills and offer services such as logo design, branding, social media graphics, or illustrations. Create a portfolio showcasing your work and market your services through social media platforms or design-focused websites. Website development. Utilize ChatGPT's capabilities to develop websites for individuals or businesses. Offer services like website creation, customization, and optimization. Build a portfolio of your work and promote your services on platforms like LinkedIn, GitHub, or through local networking events. Remember, the potential earnings from these methods may vary based on factors such as your skills, marketing efforts, competition, and demand in your target market. Additionally, it's essential to consider the time, effort, and dedication required to generate consistent income. That's all from me. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.